Crafted by nature, carved with care, woodwork that inspires. Question: how do I care for and maintain a wood carving lamp? Answer: caring for and maintaining a wood carving lamp is essential to preserve its beauty and extend its lifespan. Here are some tips to help you care for your wood carving lamp. A. Dust regularly. Dust the lamp regularly using a soft, dry cloth or a feather duster to remove any accumulated dirt, dust, or debris. B. Avoid moisture. Additionally, avoid placing the lamp near sources of moisture, such as windows, bathrooms, or kitchens. C. Use gentle cleaners. Avoid using harsh chemicals, abrasive cleaners, or excessive water, as these can damage the wood finish. D. Protect from sunlight. Consider using curtains, blinds, or UV-blocking window film to protect the lamp from sunlight. Like, share, subscribe.